Meaning of fresco.
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 Fresco. The word fresco refers to a painting technique in which pigments are applied to wet plaster on a wall or ceiling. As the plaster dries, the pigments bind with the surface to create a durable, long-lasting image. Frescoes have been used for centuries, particularly in Italian Renaissance art, to create large-scale murals and decorative wall coverings. Many famous frescoes can be found throughout Europe, including Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling. Today, the term fresco is sometimes used more broadly to refer to any mural or large-scale painted work of art.